Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you avoid performance surprises. Check CPU, GPU, and a 5 GHz or wired connection. Once that's confirmed, install the virtual desktop streamer on your PC and the client on your headset. This pairs them. Make sure developer mode is on the headset and that streaming permissions are allowed. Then note the PC name and port shown by the streamer app. Those details get you connected quickly in the next steps. Once the apps are installed, optimize network and encoder settings to reduce lag and artifacts. You should use wired Ethernet on the PC and connect the headset to the same 5 GHz SSID. This minimizes hops. If your PC sits on a different subnet, open or forward the stream port and assign a static IP so the headset finds it reliably. Then tune bitrate and encoder type, NVENC for NVIDIA or QuickSync for Intel, so visual quality balances with smooth frame rates. You finish by pairing in the virtual desktop client using the PC name and port, and then allow the streamer through your firewall. This completes the connection. Start a test session and watch dropped frames along with CPU and GPU usage so you know where limits are. If you experience stutter or disconnects, a key troubleshooting tip: lower the bitrate first, then try wired Ethernet or change the 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel to avoid interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.